Today we're launching the Vanier TIEK, the Teacher's Innovation Exploration Kit. It's designed to allow teachers to explore innovative technologies like augmented and mixed and virtual reality. We've got a 360 camera to allow them to actually create some immersive experiences for their students or have students create them. We have a special microphone, the Blue Yeti, that allows them to record if they want to do podcasting or enhance their virtual experiences. We have an Oculus Rift, an Oculus Quest, and 3 Oculus Go's. These are different virtual reality headsets that allow you to experience immersive reality. And we have some smartphones that can be augmented reality and also virtual reality, with some goggles and some special cubes that allow you to manipulate objects that are digitally imposed on the real world.
Hi, my name is Josh Daskell. I'm a part of architectural technology here at Vanier, and here I'm presenting the makerspace 3D printers. So we have 3. We have the Prusa i3, and we have 2 Creality TR5Ss. Essentially what these printers are able to do is they are double extruder, high quality, come pre-built, and essentially they can be used for like a plethora of things.
The idea is that we want teachers to come and explore the potential that these devices have. So right now we're encouraging 3 teachers to put in for a development support opportunity funding. If this turns out, they would get release time and they would do some research on VR and AR in education, not only for their own disciplines but for their faculties. But we want it to be beyond just that. We want teachers to feel like they can come to the STEM Center on Monday, Wednesdays, or Fridays and just try these things out, do some reading, maybe join our Office 365 community of practice for the TIEK team, and support each other in sharing ideas that they have for how virtual and augmented reality, how the 3D printing, how 360 filming can actually be used to create new learning opportunities for students.